Nigerian man and its fathers Alaba Lawani has lamented the poor job a contractor did after was awarded a road repair project in Edo State. The road repair was below average and the drainage the contractor built was also nothing to write home about.
Oga una good evening or good morning. My name na Paulson Great. My name na Alaba Lawani. Now how we want to get Nigeria we go work for all of us. Now all of us dey fight for. Igara na my community, Akukwa Edo na my local government. Nigeria na we country together. So if we dey see wetin no good, we go talk about am. When we do Secretariat Road by the grace of God, when Edo State government do that Secretariat Road, I work for that Secretariat Road. And I know wetin I do there because na my community. If they say make I open reach here, I go open everything because I tell the white man Koro say this one na my community. Wetin I fit do wey go help my community, I go do am. Today that road, e better pass the whole road wey dey Akukwa Edo. If they wan count good road for Edo State, that local government road join am. Oga make una see road wey dem dey do. One person camera no vex. They don't ever do road where we say the drainage go stop at dead end. Nothing there. This granite, the drainage where they see so concrete road no day. I don't know where they go carry plaster, the plaster wall. Road no day, nothing there. See the ground. They do and come reach there then. Nothing there. Carry the video, they come, may you show me this thing. Waka they come. Wabe. Waka come, follow me, come. They carry my matter go. You go do road. If they want do road, after you pour rat slash, you go post them. See road though. See my hand. Now the road where they do be this. See the road. Now me see. Now my bare hand be this. See am. You dey see am. If motor waka for this thing now, the very day go remove am. You dey see am. Now my hand that take the open am so. Now our community be this. Which kind of rubbish be this one? I know say they go say the one where our people do senator 80 days. He not do. But that rubbish where they always talk say our bread is better than none. I kill Nigeria call it today. So if you want to do something, do and where. You not put stone base, you not put anything. At least now somebody award this contract. You should look at the contractor that is doing this job. You not go do anything. Then you will say they don't do it. At all, now the at all now put us for where we did so. Technical road, see how we they do this road. And the road does scatter finish so. Carry motor, pass here, go down. And the road scatter so. This one now call even worse. Then they do drainage. How can you do a thing like this? You do drainage, you go end up for there. Carry this thing come. Now ordinary hand that take part. As fast when they say they do this thing, they provoke me. And one bastard they tell me say, I talk about road. Say they put dust. They never do it. Yes, I said they've not done it. That they do it now. I never talk about that. They do it now. It be this now. But when you say make they praise people good, I am not a praise singer. I will not sing the praise of anybody. How can you be doing this? You are not putting any road in a drainage. And you are doing a drainage, the drainage is stopped. For somewhere where we say, you don't get freedom, you know the flow go. You say you can do road. What's the meaning of all this rubbish? See road. Granite don't there anywhere. See am. Me at the spoiler top. See am. Then they do this kind of thing. Where they don't do this kind of thing before. Where they don't do this kind of thing before. If you don't want to do, you don't do. You know that you did not do anything. See am now. See am. Now it be this. See, I swear to God, if anybody, make una no worry. God they see all of us for this country where we go to. Everybody went there for this evil. When they happen for this country, tomorrow they'll say na Buhari. Tomorrow everybody gonna point finger at Buhari. Nothing. Small opportunity when we go get to represent our people. Well, no, my own community. God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. See rubbish where they happen everywhere.
People don't come out.
See rubbish where they happen. They say make me, and they pray. Say make me, and they pray for place where they do wrong. Pray for what? Pray for which rubbish? Pray for which rubbish? Why you gonna do this thing? Not if you tell me the road one, where the water will flow through. Where the water Now the bastard where they teach the one where they do this nonsense. Now I get issue with. Now the bastard I get issue with. They'll give them money when they do something. They are supposed to share the money. They will do nothing. God will punish all of you. They will kill you. This one they will kill all of you. Zero. Now my ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Now I tell the open now so. Ordinary hand. Zero where they do. Zero. Zero where they do. Ogu kill that person. Ogu go kill the person. God go punish all of una. When they represent us, when no they do it, God go kill all of una. Because the money they come, una they chop her. And many of una when they do this thing, Ogu go kill una. Other here who did? I mean therefore they you not put anything. See rubbish, see nonsense. If I put that for this road, then so all go open. All the road go open. You say make they appeal with the person. God will punish anybody when they do so. Anybody where they represent us, when they represent well, God will kill them. Me, I know they fear us. You don't get who no go die. If I die today now, don't die so. I know they fear anything. If I die today, I don't die, but everybody go die last time. Now road with this. Now road with this one. How you go to do this thing? You not pull road. You not pull road, you the cover around. You not pull road, you the cover around. It make any sense to human being? It better than God, not go wash them. Does it make any sense? God, they see all of us. No for to me, my over make I they go my house. I don't feel talk. I pray if I they come back live, make I not come from Igala again. Make I not even come from Akukwedo again. Go out, you go see what they do there. Well, who will kill everybody throw away? For this local government, should be election they come to. Somebody say make a day happy say somebody they do. Which one they work with this? What will not my hand they remove? Say I be APC and no talk. Who PDP help? Who APC help? Not be the thing put us for bad government today. So when we know the see food chop, we know they see water drink. Our children they sit down for under the ground for school. All our primary school, they no get here. All the roof that they leak for children head. They say we get government. Bad government. God go punish all of them. They not do them now. They not do and read the end of God. Una see Amabi. Now Baba do.
Somebody is already commenting.
They not do the work. They not do anything. Now rubbish that they do. May they come find me. If I die, I don't know everybody go eventually die. People go to see the show, they don't go talk. They go to praise. They go to praise people. Hey, is the leader there? Is the chair there? Is the chairman there? They go to praise people. They go to praise people. They not go talk true. They go to praise people. God, they see everybody. Oh, you don't get who no go down. Okay, you see through talk. They will know you for the true way they talk. What kind of road is this? You don't ever see where they do this kind of thing. You don't ever see where they do this kind of thing. Now they don't understand they open them. Okay, you don't ever see where they do road. They don't put up, they don't put anything. See, I'm not the ground with this. Not the ground with this. You don't see I'm not be this. Not be this. Not the ground with this. May they carry me go police station. May they carry me go police station. Ogu go kill anybody where I want this contract. Ogu go kill the person where they do this. Any contractor where get do for this thing. Now this road go kill that person. God go punish anybody who get do for this thing. Now road with this. Road with my hands they open. You dey touch am again. Now my boy said, I be corruption me neck one. Meanwhile, you not be bad worker. That one be corruption me. I just they open that part where you want part. So that they go see say na bad work the same way you do. Anyway, now your work you they do. Not be you send yourself. Now contractor will be thief. When they give work, where you do. Now they do this rubbish.
Money where they go keep, you don't go chop.
Money where you go die, leave. You not go chop the money. Now you they do this thing so. You do. Hey, oh mom, how are you? You not see bad work. Now our local government. Now people waiting for the world they be thieves. Eh? Say una dey follow me work for side. I not go do this kind of rubbish for my own side. But no, now. Then how you go pour cutlass for ground? As you pour cutlass for ground, finish. As you pour cutlass for ground, finish. You not put stone base. You begin the pour quota on top. You begin the asphalt the road. Does it make any sense? That one never even come do. You are doing the gutter. They don't put any road. As if say nobody go ask. And true, the Gara people that they behave like people who no get sense. Okay, any Gara person when be real Gara, he don't go open it too wide.
You go scatter am.
He go there people.
You go come scatter and drive everybody.
The Gara
You no fit try am for out now.
Akuku don't keep
You no go
quiet.
fit try am for out.
Opportunity to money. Which state may you not keep my pikin?
Na dey do so.
Which kind of rubbish be this one? Which kind of rubbish be this
You
one?
try
You
am
fit
for
try this
scatter
rubbish now for out.
They go scatter am.
You not fit now.
I go scatter
You
am now.
not fit now. Which kind nonsense with this one?
Okay, see the
Which
floor.
kind rubbish
See
with
the
this
floor,
one?
see the floor.
Eh?
You know
What's the
everything.
meaning of this?
The floor sef no-
What is the meaning of this? I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I not get any leader. As far as I go by those, nobody. Now God be my leader. You understand? I'm not interested in any fucking politics. You understand? If anybody kill me today like this now, the person too go die tomorrow. My mama don't die. If my mama fit die, no girl no fit die. Now the day my mother die, I know say nobody no fit die. So may everybody just forget this rubbish where they happen for this community. Now nonsense. God they see everybody oh. Money, we go bury one my mother best friend just now. Everybody will die. As she die, we will go bury her today, so she don't carry anybody follow her. Now only she go. The money where she go even gather, leave and go. You understand? So my brother, I'm not happy. My mind no sweet. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. One bastard they tell me for Facebook say, the road when they talk say they pour dust. That time when dust full here, when be say nobody all the whole house, you go dey pass, dust go dey cover your eye. And they complain say make they do am. And they do that they do so. Somebody say make I dey clap. They happy. They never do and reach the end though. They never even come do the rubbish. Come see road, this stupid road. All these brother, all these things what they do go so. Road no dey. See rubbish. See drainage wey they say they do. Check am where the water dey flow go. Nowhere, there. If the water flow cross come like this. If the water come out from here, now so it go go stop for down there again. You know they go anywhere. And we say we get community. Oga, even the bricklayer where they work, all of una na my people, we dey work together. Now una community be this. Now like this they go they do now always until all of you, me, you, our children, we no see food chop again. Now then una go understand wetin they do. Una never understand now. They tell una no understand wetin dey happen. Until they turn us to puppet finish. Now una go understand. Ordinary my finger, my hand. Don't see road wey they do. My hand they remove road. 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 See am na road be this. Road where they do for us. They don't put anything. They don't put on top of red sand, on top of poto, on top of poto. See am on top of poto now they put quota. They say make they clap for them. Clap for which nonsense? Clap for which animal? Clap for which anybody? Anybody? Nonsense. Say that they do road in the quarrel. Now road be this. Stupid road. May go kill anybody wey talk say that they do road me at the quarrel. May go kill the person. Honorable may go kill the person. Make the person not live long. Anybody wey talk rubbish say me at the talk nonsense. Make the person not live long. Now my community be this. Which kind of nonsense is this one? Okay, this road first day better pass this one. If this road is fine now, you'll see wahala. You'll see wahala. They say that they which kind of stupid politics. I beg anybody for position. You know go lawyer. Nobody I be architect. Oga see, our primary schools there. Chair no day. Every day, na me they beg money. Na me they beg people money. They build chair for our schools.